Infrastructure is the bedrock on which business value and competitive differentiation are built. As such, infrastructure must empower the CIO to act both as Chief Information Officer and Chief Innovation Officer with equal proficiency. Here, CXO TV asks the experts from the industry how C-level community is monitoring their enterprise IT infrastructure.
Security is going to be the key priority for all the CIOs, looking at the risk that they are exposed to. They are looking at investing more on the OPEX, and not on the CAPEX. They want to minimize their initial investments and they want to spread across 12 months. They want to optimize.
Implementation of the technologies at the right time. We cannot be actually evaluating our technologies in 6 months, 8 months time frames that we had been doing, especially in the olden CIO organizations. So we have to be pretty agile. So you have to have an agenda of running organizations in parallel, so to say, with the next generation technology and the operational technology that you need to run your business.
Till now, a lot of investments we have seen have happened only on trying to secure the infrastructure. Going forward from the surveys that have been conducted, we are seeing a lot of C-level executives and senior managers are trying to protect the data, which is what is actually their key value and brand image and trust factor. And they're trying to look at offerings that are more towards encryption or data protection, stricter governance, addressing mandates like the UIDA, which is enforced by Aadhaar, or business mandates by RBI or IRDA, for example, in the BFSI. These type of mandates are actually making sure that end users' information is protected, organizations' brand images retained, and whatever they need to do to protect those two things at the same time enable technology for their business.
There are 4 key elements that CEO should look at. Do I have a strategy which is aligned to my organization vision? Very important, and the vision is shared by all the executives. It is owned by the C staff. So once I have a vision, I can type a strategy to it, and then I can operationalize by identifying the business cases requiring what kind of technology. Very importantly, in the enterprise IT, you want to make sure that you measure everything that you deliver. When you measure, you can actually make it better. And very importantly, engage your employees through and throughout enterprise IT lifecycle. Make sure that the employees feel that they're involved in the overall decision making and a transformation phase, and also give them a career path. When you have a really engaged employees, they can actually give you 2.7x operating margin. That means straight away into bottom line. So those employees contribute better margins for you.
No longer defined by only physical systems such as servers, storage arrays, switches, and routers, today, infrastructure is the foundation for the development and delivery of end-user-centric IT services. Enabler for business-relevant insights, it is also the raw material for creating and implementing new business models.